जी फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स एटॉमिक एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फिजिक्स थर्ड पेपर यूनिट फर्स्ट एटॉमिक फिजिक्स क्वांटम स्टेट ऑफ वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम पॉली प्रिंसिपल स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ एल्काइल एलिमेंट्स कामा स्पिन ऑर्बिट इंटरेक्शन एंड फाइन स्ट्रक्चर इन एल्काइल स्पेक्ट्रा कामा इक्विवेलेंट कामा नॉन इक्विवेलेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यूनिट टू एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रा नॉर्मल एंड एनोमलस जीमान इफेक्ट कामा पाशन बैग इफेक्ट कामा स्टार्क इफेक्ट कामा टू इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम कामा इंटरेक्शन एनर्जी इन एलएस एंड जेजे कपलिंग कामा हाइपर फाइन स्ट्रक्चर क्वालिटेटिव यूनिट फर्स्ट डायोटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूलर स्पेक्ट्रा रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ डायोटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूलर एज ए रिगिड रोटेटर कामा एनर्जी लेवल एंड स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ नॉन रिगिड रोटेटर कामा इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइन स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन यूनिट फर्स्ट एनर्जी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स वाइब्रेशनल एनर्जी ऑफ डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स कामा डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल एज ए सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेशन कामा एनर्जी लेवल एंड स्पेक्ट्रम कामा मोर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कर्व कामा मॉलिक्यूल्स एज वाइब्रेटिंग रोटेटर कामा वाइब्रेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स कामा PQR ब्रांचेस unit first the quantum number that describe the shape of an electron's orbital b azimuthal quantum number l दूसरा what is the maximum number of the electrons that can occupy as s orbital b2 तीसरा the quantum numbers that describes the orientation of an orbital in space is c magnetic quantum numbers m for how many p orbital are there in an atom c 3 पांचवा the Pauli exclusion principle state that b electrons in the same orbital must have opposite spin छठवां what is the maximum number of electrons that can occupy a d orbital d10 सातवां the quantum number that describe the spin of an electron is d spin quantum numbers yes आठवां how many f orbital are there in an atom d7 नौवां what is the maximum number of electrons that can occupy an p orbital b 2 दसवां the quantum number that describe the size of an orbital is a principal quantum number n ग्यारहवां how many s orbital are there in an atom a 1 बारहवां the अफबाहु principle state that b electrons fill orbital of lower energy first तेरहवां the quantum number for an electron in a 3p orbital b n is equal to 3 l is equal to 1 m is equal to 0 चौदहवां how many orbital are there in the 2p subshell c 3 पंद्रहवां the quantum number of an electron is a 2s orbital are a n is equal to 2 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 सोलहवां Hund's rule state that d electron per to occupy separate orbital with parallel spin d सत्रहवां what is the maximum number of the electron that can occupy an f orbital d 14 अठारहवां the quantum number for an electron in a 3s orbital are a n is equal to 3 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 उन्नीसवां how many orbital are there in a 3d subshell d 5 बीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 4s orbital are a n is equal to 4 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 इक्कीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 4d orbital are b n is equal to 4 l is equal to 1 m is equal to 0 बाईसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 4p orbital are b n is equal to 4 l is equal to 1 m is equal to 0 तेईसवां how many orbital are there in the 4f subshell d 7 चौबीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 5s orbital are a n is equal to 5 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 पच्चीसवां how many orbitals are there in a 5d subshell d 5 छब्बीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 6s orbital are a n is equal to 6 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 सैंतीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 6d orbital are b n is equal to 6 l is equal to 1 m is equal to 0 अट्ठाईसवां how many orbital are there in a 6p subshell c 3 उनतीसवां the quantum number for an electron in a 7s orbital a n is equal to 7 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 तीसवां how many orbitals are there in a 7d subshell d 5 31वां द क्वांटम नंबर फॉर एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ए 7p ऑर्बिटल आर बी n इक्वल टू 7 l इक्वल टू 1 m इक्वल टू 0। 32वां हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन ए 7f सबसेल डी 7। 33वां द क्वांटम नंबर फॉर एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ए 8s ऑर्बिटल आर ए n इक्वल टू 8 l इक्वल टू 0 m इक्वल टू 0। 34वां हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन ए 8p सबसेल सी 3। 35वां द क्वांटम नंबर फॉर एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 8d ऑर्बिटल आर बी n इक्वल टू 8 l इक्वल टू 1 m इक्वल टू 0। 36वां विच साइंटिस्ट डेवलप्ड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल बी इरविंग स्टर्डिंगर। 37वां एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल डिस्क्राइब द बी पोजीशन ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एन एटम। 38वां व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई एन एस ऑर्बिटल बी 2। 39वां हाउ मेनी पी टाइप्स पी ऑर्बिटल्स आर देयर इन ए सिंगल एनर्जी लेवल सी 3। 40वां हाउ मेनी डी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन ए सिंगल एनर्जी लेवल डी 5। 41वां द शेप ऑफ एन ऑर्बिटल यस इज ए स्फेरिकल। 42वां द हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन एन एफ ऑर्बिटल होल्ड डी 14। 43वां विच ऑर्बिटल हैज ए हायर एनर्जी 2s और 2p सी दे हैव द सेम एनर्जी। 44वां द एजीम्यूथल क्वांटम नंबर यल डिटरमाइंस द बी शेप ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल्स। 45वां व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई द 2p सबसेल बी 4। 46वां विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिटल हैज द हाईएस्ट एनर्जी डी 3f। 47वां विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए वैलिड वैल्यू ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर्स ml d 2। 48वां द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर्स n डिस्क्राइब द डी एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल। 49 व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ ए पी ऑर्बिटल बी डम्बेल शेप। 50 विच ऑर्बिटल हैज ए हायर एनर्जी 4s और 4d ए 4s। 51 हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन एन s ऑर्बिटल होल्ड्स ए 2। 52 द स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर ms डिस्क्राइब द सी स्पिन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। 53 हाउ मेनी डी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन द थर्ड एनर्जी लेवल सी 5। 54 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिटल हैज द लोवेस्ट एनर्जी ए 2s। 55 व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई द 4d सबसेल डी 10। 56 हाउ मेनी पी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन द फोर्थ एनर्जी लेवल डी 4। 57 द मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर ml डिस्क्राइब द डी ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल्स जी। 58 व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ एन एफ ऑर्बिटल सी क्लोवर शेप। 59 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ओरिएंटेशन हैज द हाईएस्ट एनर्जी डी 5f। 60वां हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन ए सिंगल ऑर्बिटल होल्ड्स बी 2। 61 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिटल हैज द लोवेस्ट एनर्जी ए 3s। 62 हाउ मेनी डी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन द सेकेंड एनर्जी लेवल बी 2। 63 द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n डिटरमाइंस द ए साइज ऑफ ऑर्बिटल। 64 व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई द 3p सबसेल बी 4। 65 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिटल्स हैज द हाईएस्ट एनर्जी डी 4f। 66 हाउ मेनी पी ऑर्बिटल आर देयर इन द थर्ड एनर्जी लेवल सी 3। 67 द मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर ml डिस्क्राइब द डी ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स डी। 68 व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ ए डी ऑर्बिटल बी डम्बस बेल शेप। 69 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिटल हैज द लोवेस्ट एनर्जी ए 6s। 70 व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई द 5d सबसेल डी 10। 71 विच साइंटिस्ट फर्स्ट डिस्कवर द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम डी जोहन बेल्मर डी। 72 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ विच टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन सी बोथ एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड इमिशन लाइन्स। 73 विच सीरीज ऑफ लाइन्स इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन्स इन द अल्ट्रावायलेट रीजन बी लाइमन सीरीज। 74 द लाइमन सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम करेस्पॉन्ड टू ट्रांजिशन टू विच एनर्जी लेवल ए n बराबर 1। 75 विच सीरीज ऑफ लाइन इन हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम लाइज इन द विजिबल रीजन ए बाल्मर सीरीज 76 द बाल्मर सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम करेस्पॉन्ड टू ट्रांजिशन टू विच एनर्जी लेवल बी एन बराबर 2 77 विच सीरीज ऑफ लाइन इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन इन द इंफ्रारेड रीजन सी पाशन सीरीज 78 द पाशन सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम करेस्पॉन्ड टू ट्रांजिशन टू विच एनर्जी लेवल सी एन बराबर 3 79 विच सीरीज ऑफ लाइन इन हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन इन द इंफ्रारेड रीजन डी ब्रैकेट सीरीज 80 द ब्रैकेट सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम करेस्पॉन्ड टू ट्रांजिशन टू विच एनर्जी लेवल डी एन बराबर 4 81 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इन इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बी लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम 82 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम प्रोवाइडेड एविडेंस फॉर द क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ सी एनर्जी 83 विच इक्वेशन इज यूज टू कैलकुलेट द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन डी बाल्मर इक्वेशन 84 द बाल्मर इक्वेशन रिलेटेड्स द वेवलेंथ म्यू ऑफ ए स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन टू द ए प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर एन 85 विच हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम सीरीज हैज द लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ डी ब्रैकेट सीरीज 86 विच हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम सीरीज हैज द शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ ए लाइमन सीरीज 87 द लाइमन सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज एसोसिएटेड विद ट्रांजिशन टू द ए ग्राउंड स्टेट 88 द बाल्मर सीरीज इन हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज एसोसिएटेड विद द ट्रांजिशन टू द बी फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट 89 द पाशन सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ट्रांजिशन टू द सी सेकेंड एक्साइटेड स्टेट 90 द ब्रैकेट सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ट्रांजिशन टू द डी थर्ड एक्साइटेड स्टेट 91 विच सीरीज इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम हैज द लार्जेस्ट एनर्जी डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनर्जी लेवल ए लाइमन सीरीज 92 द एनर्जी ऑफ ए फोटॉन्स इमिटेड इन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट्स बी फ्रीक्वेंसी 93 विच हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रल सीरीज कैन बी ऑब्जर्व इन द लेबोरेटरी विदाउट द यूज ऑफ स्पेशल इक्विपमेंट बी बामर सीरीज 94 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम इज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ ट्रांजिशन इन विच एटॉमिक पार्टिकल ए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 95 विच साइंटिस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एनर्जी लेवल इन एटम्स टू एक्सप्लेन द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम सी नील्स बोर 96 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम कैन बी यूज टू डिटरमाइन द बी टेम्परेचर ऑफ डिस्टेंट स्टार्स 97 द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम प्रोवाइडेड्स एविडेंस फॉर द क्वांटाइज्ड नेचर ऑफ सी एनर्जी 98 which series in the hydrogen spectrum has the lowest energy level d bracket series 99 the energy level in the hydrogen atoms are determined by the a principal quantum number n so the hydrogen spectrum is an important tool in the field of b quantum mechanics 101 the hydrogen spectrum was crucial in the development of which atomic models a Bohr's model 102 the hydrogen spectrum can be used to determine the composition of unknown gases c 103 the hydrogen spectrum can be observed using which instrument c spectroscope 104 which hydrogen spectrum series correspond to transition between level with higher principal quantum number c Paschen series 105 the hydrogen spectrum provided evidence for the existence of c electrons 106 Pauli principle of a fundamental principle in a quantum mechanics 107 Pauli principle states that no two b electrons can occupy the same energy state 108 Pauli exclusion principle is a consequence of d quantum indistinguishability 109 According to Pauli principle, electrons in the atom must differ in at least one c spin. 110 Pauli principle is a result of the exclusion principle. 111 Pauli principle applied to all particles that obey the Fermi-Dirac statistics. 112 पॉली प्रिंसिपल अलाउ फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए केमिकल बॉन्ड्स। 113 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ पॉली प्रिंसिपल, डी द बिहेवियर ऑफ लाइट्स वेव। 114 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज इसेंशियल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डी ऑल मेटल्स इंसुलेटर्स सुपर कंडक्टर्स ऑल मेटल्स। 115 द मैथमेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पॉली प्रिंसिपल इन थ्रो यूज ऑफ ए वेव फंक्शन। 116 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इंस्ट्रिक्ट द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई ए ऑफ एन सी ऑर्बिटल। 117 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज ए कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ द डी एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल। 118 द एक्यूपेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन स्टेट इन एन एटम फॉलो ए फर्मी डिराक स्टैटिक्स। 119 पॉली प्रिंसिपल प्रोहिबिट्स द एक्सिस्टेंस ऑफ एटम विथ डी आइडेंटिकल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। 120 पॉली प्रिंसिपल एक्सप्लेन द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ मैटर बाई ए प्रिवेंटिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्सन। 121 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ पॉली प्रिंसिपल इन एटम स्पेक्ट्रा, सी फाइन स्ट्रक्चर। 122 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज अप्लीकेबल टू पार्टिकल विथ बी हाफ इंटीग्रल स्पिन। 123 पॉली प्रिंसिपल वाज फार्मुलेटेड बाय द फिजिस्ट डी वोल्फगैंग पॉली। 124 द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई ए सबसेल गवर्नड बाय पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज B2। 125 पॉली प्रिंसिपल प्ले ए क्रूशियल रोल्स इन डिटरमाइनिंग द डी इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। 126 द एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल इज वायलेटेड इन द सिस्टम नोन एज बी बोस्ट-आइंस्टीन कंडेंसेट। 127 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज ए कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ द सी एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल। 128 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज इसेंशियल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ द पार्टिकल इन सी क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स। 129 द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन इज नॉट वायलेटेड बाय पॉली प्रिंसिपल बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इंडिग्विजिबल पार्टिकल्स। 130 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज crucial for explaining the periodicity of a chemical properties, b physical properties, c spectral line, d all of the above। 131 which of the following is a consequence of Pauli principle in atomic spectra, c fine structure। 132 Pauli principle prohibits the existence of the atom with d identical electron configuration। 133 पॉली प्रिंसिपल एक्सप्लेन द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ मैटर बाय ए प्रिवेंटिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्सन। 134 द एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल इज वायलेटेड इन सिस्टम एज नोन एज बी बोस-आइंस्टीन कंडेंसेट। 135 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज अप्लीकेबल टू पार्टिकल विथ बी हाफ इंटीग्रल स्पिन। 136 पॉली प्रिंसिपल वाज फार्मुलेटेड बाय द फिजिस्ट डी वोल्फगैंग पॉली। 137 द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट कैन ऑक्यूपाई ए सबसेल गवर्नड बाय द पॉली प्रिंसिपल B2। 138 पॉली प्रिंसिपल प्ले ए क्रूशियल रोल्स इन डिटरमाइनिंग द डी इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। 139 पॉली प्रिंसिपल इज इसेंशियल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इन सी क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स। 140 द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन इज नॉट वायलेटेड बाय पॉली प्रिंसिपल बिकॉज the electrons are indivisible particles। 141 the spectra of alkyl elements are primarily due to the transition of the electrons between energy level। 142 the alkyl elements belongs to which groups in the periodic table, A group 1। 143 the spectra of alkyl elements exhibit poignant lines in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum be visible। 144 the spectral line of alkyl elements result from the absorption or emission of d photons, d। 145 alkyl elements are known for their characteristic b electronic spectra। 146 the spectra of alkyl elements are used to identify them in c spectroscopy experiment। 147 the spectral line of alkyl elements are unique and act as a fingerprint। 148 which alkyl elements has a characteristics doublet spectral line in the yellow region of spectral? B. Sodium. 149 the spectral line of alkyl elements are produced when a electrons are excited to higher energy levels. 150 the spectral of alkyl elements are primarily caused by C. electron protons interaction. 151 the spectra of alkyl elements can be observed using which instrument? B. Spectroscope. 152 the process the presence of scientific spectral line are indicated the D. electron configuration of an alkyl elements. 153 the spectra of alkyl elements are characterized by B. discrete lines of colors. 154 the spectra of alkali elements can be used to determine their D. electron configuration. 155 the alkali elements have a tendency to be lost electrons. 156 the spectral line or alkyl elements can be affected by A. temperature, B. pressure, C. magnetic field, D. all of the above. 157 alkali elements emits lights with characteristics color when B. excited by electricity. The 158 the spectra of alkyl elements are used in the field of D. atomic physics. 159 the spectral line of alkyl elements are attributed to B. transition between energy levels in the electron cloud. 160 alkyl elements are often used in A. medicine, D. B. agriculture, C. batteries, D. all of the above. 161 which alkyl elements is used to in street lights to produce a yellow color? B. sodium. 162 the alkyl elements have how many valence electrons? A. 1. 163 the emission spectra of alkyl elements are useful for A. analyzing the composition of distant star, B. in identifying mineral in geological sample, B. C. studying the behavior of gases at high temperature, D. all of the above. 164 the alkyl elements used in the coolant of nuclear reactor is B. sodium. 165 the alkyl element that produce a purple spectral line is D. cesium. 166 the alkyl elements are used in the treatment of bipolar disorder in A. lithium. 167 the alkyl elements known for explosive reaction with water is C. potassium. 168 the alkyl elements commonly used in the table salt is B. sodium. alkali elements are known for their B. high relativity. 170 the alkyl elements used in the production of firework is C. potassium. 171 the alkyl elements used in the manufacture of glass is B. sodium. 172 the alkyl elements that produce a red spectral line is D. rubidium. 173 the alkyl elements used in the production of alkaline batteries is A. lithium. 174 the alkyl elements known for its softness and low melting point is D. rubidium. D. 175 the alkali elements that produce a violet spectral line is D. cesium. The fine structure in the spectra of alkali elements in the primitive caused by C. spin orbital interaction. 177 spin orbital interaction arises from the coupling between the A. electrons spin and orbital motion. 178 the fine structure is alkyl spectra result in the splitting of spectral line into A. multiple lines. 179 the fine structure in alkali spectrum can be observed using fine instrument B. spectroscope. 180 the energy splitting due to the spin orbital interaction is more pronounced for elements with a high atomic number. 181 द फाइन स्ट्रक्चर इन एल्काइल स्पेक्ट्रा प्रोवाइडेड्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ए इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. 182 द एनर्जी स्प्लिटिंग इन द फाइन स्ट्रक्चर इज टाइपिकली ऑन द ऑर्डर ऑफ बी माइक्रोवोल्ट्स. 183 द फाइन स्ट्रक्चर इन एल्काइल स्पेक्ट्रा इज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सी स्पिन एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. 184 द फाइन स्ट्रक्चर स्प्लिटिंग इन द लार्गर फॉर विच एल्काइल एलिमेंट्स डी रुबिडियम. 185 द फाइन स्ट्रक्चर इज एल्काइल स्पेक्ट्रा इज एविडेंस फॉर ऑफ द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ सी क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स. 186 द स्पिन ऑर्बिटल interaction in alkyl spectra leading to the formation of a spectral lines. 187 the fine structure in spectra is caused by the interaction between the electrons b spin and magnetic moments. 188 the fine structure splitting in a consequence of the c Zeeman effect. 189 the fine structure in alkali spectra is more pronounced in the region of the electromagnetic spectrum B visible. 190 the fine structure splitting in alkali spectra can be observed as a shift in the a wavelength of spectral line. 191 the fine structure is in alkali spectra is a result of composition between d spin and orbital angular momentum. 192 the fine structural splitting is larger for alkali elements with a higher nuclear charge. 193 the fine structure in alkali spectra is important for a understanding atomic structure. 194 the fine structure splitting is a result of energy difference between different b electrons orbitals. 195 the fine structure in alkali spectra is observed as a additional lines within spectral lines. 196 the fine structure splitting in influenced by the c magnetic field. 197 the fine structure in alkali spectra is a consequence of b electrons nucleus attraction. 198 the energy splitting due to the orbital interaction is generally b larger for heavier alkyl elements. 199 the fine structure in alkali spectra was first explained by D. Arnold Sommerfeld. 200 the fine structure in alkali spectra is observed as a result of the D. Zeeman effect. 201 the fine structure splitting is a consequence of the interaction between the electrons a spin of orbital angular momentum. 202 the fine structure in alkali spectra is most evident in the transition between a higher energy level. 203 the fine structural splitting is typically on the order of c nanometers. 204 the fine structure in alkali spectra provided information about the c electrons spin. 205 the fine structure in alkali spectra is influenced by the c magnetic field strength. 206 the fine structure splitting is larger for alkali element with b fewer valence electrons. 207 the fine structure is alkali spectra is observed as a result of the b Pauli exclusion principle. 208 the fine structural splitting is more pronounced for alkali element with b lower atomic radius. 209 the fine structure in alkali spectra is used to determine the c magnetic moments. 210 the fine structure splitting in alkali spectra is responsible for the observed b emission line. 211 non equivalent electrons in an atom have different a energy. 212 non equivalent electrons in an atom occupy different a orbital. 213 non equivalent electrons have different quantum number for their c magnetic quantum number. 214 the non equivalent electron is an atom can have different d orientation. 215 non equivalence electrons in an atom play a role in determining its c chemical reactivity. 216 non equivalent electron in an atom have different b atomic radii. 217 non equivalent electron in an atom are located in different C. Orbitals. 218 non-equivalent electron in an atom have difference. C. Electron spin. 219 non-equivalent electron in an atom can occupy the same. C. Orbital. 220 non-equivalent electron in an atom can be disguised by their. C. Electrons wave function. 221 non-equivalent electrons in an atom have difference. A. Electron repulsion. 222 non-equivalent electrons in an atom contribute to its. B. Electron density. 223 non-equivalent electrons in an atom can interact through. B. Electromagnetic force. 224 non-equivalent electrons in an atom are influenced by the. C. Horn's rule. 225 non-equivalent electron in an atom can have different. D. Magnetic quantum number. C. D. 226 non-equivalent electron in an atom can have different. C. Quantum state. 227 non-equivalent electron in an atom can occupy the same. A. Subshell. 228 non-equivalent electron in an atom contribute to its. A. Chemical properties. 229 non-equivalent electron in an atom have difference. C. Electrons configuration. 230 non-equivalent electron in an atom are involved in determining its. D. Atomic number. 231 non-equivalent electron in an atom can have difference. B. Electrons affinities. 232 non-equivalent electron in an atom can occupy difference. A. Energy sublevel. 233 non-equivalent electron in an atom have difference. A. Energy and angular momenta. 234 non-equivalent electron in an atom can be found in different. D. Orbitals. 235 non-equivalent electron in an atom contribute to its. B. Electron density. 237 non-equivalent electron in an atom can occupy difference. D. Quantum numbers. 237 non-equivalent electron in an atom are governed by the. C. Principle of quantum mechanics. 238 non-equivalent electron in an atom can be identified by their. A. Electron spin. 239 non-equivalent electron in an atom have difference. A. Electrons configuration. 240 non-equivalent electron in an atom can have difference. C. Orbital orientation. 241 non-equivalent electrons in an atom contribute to its. A. Chemical reactivity. 242 non-equivalent electron in an atom can occupy the same. C. Orbitals. 243 non-equivalent electron in an atom can have difference. C. Chemical properties. 244 non-equivalent electron in an atom are characterized by their. C. Electrons spin. 245 non-equivalent electron in an atom by. A. Determining its. C. Valence electron. Unit 2. 246 the Zeeman effect refer to. A. Splitting of a spectral line in the presence of magnetic field. 247 the normal Zeeman effect occur when. C. Zeeman the electron. C. The electron spin or orbital angular momentum are aligned. 247 the anological Zeeman effect occur when. D. The electron spin and orbital angular momentum are anti-aligned. D. 249 the normal Zeeman effect is observed in atom with. B. Multiples valence electrons. 250 the anomalous Zeeman effect is more prominent in atoms with a higher nuclear charge. 251 normal Zeeman effect result in the splitting of a spectral line into. B. 3 components. 252 the anomalous Zeeman effect result in the splitting of a spectral line into. C. 4 components. 253 the normal Zeeman effect is consequence of interaction between a electron spin and orbital angular momentum. 254 the anomalous Zeeman effect is a consequence of the interaction between. C. Electrons, orbital angular momentum and magnetic field. C. 255 the normal Zeeman effect is observed in the atom with. D. Low lying energy electron states. 253 द नॉर्मल जीमान इफेक्ट इज कॉन्सिक्वेंस interaction between a electron spin and orbital angular momentum. 254 the anomalous Zeeman effect is a consequence of the interaction between c electrons orbital angular momentum and magnetic field. 255 the normal Zeeman effect is observed in atom with the low lying electron state. 256 the anomalous Zeeman effect in the observed in atoms with C high excited electron state. 257 the normal Zeeman effect results in the splitting of spectral line due to the change in the electron's magnetic moment. 258 the analogous Zeeman effect result in the splitting of spectral line due to C change in the electron's total energy. 259 the normal Zeeman effect is described by the a Paschen bank effect. 260 the anomalous Zeeman effect is described by the Brits-Rabi formula. 261 the normal Zeeman effect is more pronounced when the magnetic field is weak. 262 the anomalous Zeeman effect is more pronounced when the magnetic field is strong. 263 the normal Zeeman effect can be observed using the line spectra. 264 the anomalous Zeeman effect can be observed using the line spectra. 265 the normal Zeeman effect is a consequence of a Zeeman effect. 266 the anomalous Zeeman effect is consequence of the a Zeeman effect. 267 the normal Zeeman effect is observed in the atom with C high nucleus spin. 267 the anomalous Zeeman effect is observed in the atom with D high atomic numbers D. 269 the normal Zeeman effect is characterized by the splitting of spectral line into a equally spaced components. 270 the anomalous Zeeman effect is characterized by the splitting of spectral line into B unequal space components. 271 the normal Zeeman effect is more sensitive to change in the a magnetic field instant. 272 the anomalous Zeeman effect is more sensitive to change in the B electrons density. 273 the normal Zeeman effect is commonly observed in which the type of spectroscopy B atomic emission spectroscopy. 274 the anomalous Zeeman effect is commonly observed in the in which types of spectroscopy A atomic absorption spectroscopy. 275 the normal Zeeman effect is significant in the which region of the electromagnetic spectrum D visible lights. 276 the anomalous Zeeman effect is significant in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum C infrared. 277 the normal Zeeman effect is influenced by the electrons magnetic field interaction. 278 the anomalous Zeeman effect is influenced by a electrons interaction. 279 the normal Zeeman effect is used to determine the magnetic moment D. 280 the anomalous Zeeman effect is used to determine C nuclear spin. 281 the Paschen back effect is splitting of spectrum line in the presence of B magnetic field. 282 the Paschen bank effect occurs when the magnetic field is B strong. 283 the Paschen back effect is a consequence of interaction between C electrons orbital angular momentum and magnetic field. 284 the Paschen back effect is more prominent when the electrons spin or orbital angular momentum are aligned. 285 the Paschen back effect is observed in the atom with B multiply valence electron. 286 the Paschen back effect is more significant in atom with B high nucleus charge. 287 the Paschen back effect is characterized by the splitting of the spectral line into C4 components. 288 the Paschen back effect is more pronounced in atoms with a specially symmetric electrons distribution. 289 the Paschen back effect result in the splitting of spectrum line due to C charge in the electron totally energy. 290 the Paschen back effect is described by B the Zeeman effect. 291 the Paschen back effect is more sensitive to change in the magnetic field strength. 292 the Paschen back effect can be observed using the line spectra. 293 the Paschen back effect is commonly observed in which types of spectroscopy? Atomic absorption spectroscopy. 294 the Paschen back effect is significant in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum? C infrared. 295 the Paschen back effect is influenced by the electron magnetic field interaction. 296 the Paschen back effect is used to determine the magnetic moment. 297 in the Paschen back effect the splitting of spectral line is more pronounced for transition between levels with a higher angular momentum quantum numbers. 298 the Paschen back effect is named after the scientist C. Friedrich Paschen and Alfred Bach. 299 the Paschen back effect is a result of interaction between B. electrons orbital angular momentum and external magnetic field. 300 the Paschen back effect is most applicable to which types of atoms? C. atoms of partially filled electron cells. 301 the Paschen back effect is the less significant in atom with B. low atomic number. 302 the Paschen back effect is more likely to occur at a low temperature. 303 the Paschen back effect is related to behavior of electrons in the atoms a valence cell. 304 the Paschen back effect is primitive observed in the which types of spectral line? A. absorption line. 305 the Paschen back effect is more significant in atom with B. higher nuclear spin. 306 the Paschen back effect leads to the observation of C. split and shift spectral line. 307 the Paschen back effect is a consequence of coupling between B. electrons angular momentum and magnetic field. 308 the Paschen back effect is more prominent in atom with D. high excitation energy. 309 the Paschen back effect is characterized by the splitting of spectral line into B. unequally spaced component. 310 the Paschen back effect is used to study the magnetic properties of atom. 311 the Paschen back effect can be observed using which types of spectroscopy? A. infrared spectroscopy. 312 the Paschen back effect is related to behavior of a valence electrons. 313 the Paschen back effect is named after the scientist Friedrich Paschen and Alfred Bach who first observed in the year C. 1920. 314 the Paschen back effect is more significant in atom with a low electron density. 315 the Paschen back effect is applicable to which of the following elements? C. a hydrogen. 316 the Stark effect is splitting of spectral lines in the presence of a electric field. 317 the Stark effect occurs when the electric field is B. strong. 318 the Stark effect is consequence of the interaction between C. electrons orbitals angular momentum and electric field. C. 319 the Stark effect is more prominent when the electron spin and orbital angular momentum are B. anti-ligated. B. 320 the Stark effect is observed in the atom with a one valence electrons. 321 the Stark effect is more significant in atom with B. high nuclear charge. 322 the Stark effect is characterized by the splitting of spectral line into B. three components. 323 the Stark effect is more pronounced in atom with B. an asymmetric electrons distribution. 324 the Stark effect result in the splitting of spectral line due to B. charge in the electrons potential energy. 325 the Stark effect is described by D. the Stark formula. 326 the Stark effect is more sensitivity to change in the B electric field strength. 327 the stark effect can be observed using the line spectra. The 328 the stark effect is commonly observed in the which types of spectroscopy? A atomic absorption spectroscopy. 329 the stark effect is significant in which region of the electromagnetic spectrum? D visible light. 330 the stark effect is influenced by the electric field interaction. 330 the stark effect is used to determine the electric moment. 332 in the stark effect the splitting of spectral line is more pronounced from transition between level with C high principal quantum number. 330 the stark effect is named after the scientist C John Stark. 324 the stark effect is a result of the interaction between B electrons orbital angular momentum and external electric field. 335 the stark effect is more applicable to which type of atom? C atoms with partially filled electron cells. 336 the stark effect is less significant in the atom with a high atomic number. 337 the stark effect is more likely to occur at a low temperature. 338 the stark effect is related to the behavior of electrons in the atoms a valence cell. 339 the stark effect is primarily observed in which type of spectral line? A absorption. 340 the stark effect is more significant in the atom with B high electron density. 340 the stark effect leads to observation of C split of shift spectral line. 342 the stark effect is a consequence of coupling between C electron angular momentum and electric field. 343 the stark effect is more prominent in the atom with B high ionization energy. 344 the stark effect is characterized by the splitting of spectral lines into B unequal space component. 345 the stark effect is used to study the electric properties of atom. 346 the stark effect can be observed using which type of spectroscopy? A infrared spectroscopy. 347 the stark effect is related to the behavior of a valence electron. 347 the stark effect is named after physicist Johnson Stark who first observed it in the year C 1920. 304 the stark effect is more significant in the atom with B high electron density. 350 the stark effect is applicable to which of the following elements? A hydrogen. 351 in a two electron system the Pauli exclusion principle states that B both electrons have opposite spin. 352 the two electrons in a two electron system can occupy different energy levels as long as they have the same principal quantum number. 353 in a two electrons system the total spin quantum number can have value 0 and 1. 354 the terms singlet state refer to a two electron system with a total spin quantum numbers of 0. 355 the terms triplet state refer to a two electrons system with a total number of quantum number of C1. 356 the spatial wave function of two electrons system is described by B the Schrödinger equation. 357 in a two electron system the energy of system depends on the C principal quantum number of the electron. 358 the mid term ground state refer to the lowest energy state of a two electron system with both electrons in the same orbital. 359 the term excited state refer to a higher energy state of a two electron system with C both electrons with the same spin. 360 the energy level of two electron system can be determined using D the Schrödinger equation. 360 the in a two electron system the maximum number of orbitals that can occupy is equal to B2. 362 if in a two electron system the maximum number of electrons that can occupy the same orbital b2. 363 the electron configuration of two electron system can be represented using b the above principle. 364 Hund's principle state that in a two electron system electrons occupy c different orbital with opposite spin. 365 in a two electron system the electrons of an orbital depends on the a principal quantum numbers of the orbital. 367 the two electron system exhibit a phenomena known as b electron repulsion. 367 the repulsion between electrons in a two electron system leads to an energy is in energy and increased energy. 367 the repulsion between electrons in a two electron system result in b detybization of the system. 369 the electron repulsion in a two electron system is strongest when the electrons are in the same orbital. 370 the electrons repulsion in a two electron system is weaker when the electrons are c in different orbital with opposite spin. 371 in a two electron system the electrons occupy the lowest energy orbital first according to c of above principle. 372 the electron repulsion in a two electron system repulsion result in the splitting of the energy level known as b the Stark effect. 373 the energy splitting in a two electron system due to electron repulsion is d proportional to the difference in the orbital energy. 374 the energy splitting in the two electron system is more pronounced for orbital with a higher angular momentum quantum number. 375 in a two electron system the energy splitting due to electron repulsion is called a fine structure. 376 the fine structure is a two electron system arises from the interaction between b electrons orbital angular momentum and magnetic field. 377 the fine structure is two electron system leads of the splitting of spectral line into b unequal space component. 378 the fine structure is a two electron system is more significant for elements with b higher atomic number. 379 the fine structure is a two electron system is less significant for element with a low atomic number. 380 in a two electron system the fine structure is observed in which types of spectral line b emission line. 381 the fine structure is a two electron system provides information about c electrons energy. 382 the fine structure in a two electron system is more accurately described by b quantum mechanics. 383 the fine structure is a two electron system can be calculated using the Schrödinger equation. 384 the fine structure is a two electron system is a result of a Coulombic interaction between electrons and the nucleus. 385 the fine structure is a two electron system is an example of a spin orbital coupling. 386 in a coupling the total angular momentum j is defined as the a vector sum of the orbital angular momentum L and spin angular momentum S. 387 in JJ coupling the total angular momentum J is defined as the B scalar sum of the total angular momentum J and the spin angular momentum S. 388 LS coupling is applicable to atom with B light nuclei. 389 JJ coupling is applicable to atom with a heavy nuclei. 390 in LS coupling the interaction energy arises from the interaction between the orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. 391 in JJ coupling the interaction energy arises from the B interaction between the total angular momentum and the spin angular momentum. 392 LS coupling is more appropriate from above with a strong spin orbital coupling. 393 JJ coupling is more appropriate from above with weak spin orbital coupling. LS coupling is used to describe the to the energy and the spectral lines. C. Transition metals. 395 JJ coupling is used to describe the energy level and spectral lines of a alkyl metals. 396 LS coupling predict the splitting of energy level into B unequally spaced component. 397 JJ coupling predict the splitting of energy level into A equally spaced components. 398 LS coupling is based on the assumption that the B spin orbital interaction dominates over the electron repulsion. 399 JJ coupling is based on the assumption that C electron repulsion is negligible compared to the orbital interaction. 400 LS coupling is more suitable from atoms with B many electrons. 401 JJ coupling is more suitable from the with a few electrons. 402 LS coupling can explain the fine structure of a atomic spectra. 403 JJ coupling can explain the fine structure of C ionic spectra.